Hello and welcome to a new training video from Skolera. In our video today, we're going to look at the student interface and how we can access our different courses and subjects. From the navigation menu, once we log in correctly, from the navigation menu, we can see here My Courses. If you click on My Courses, this will show us the courses, the list of subjects that we are studying as students. All our subjects are written there. Each subject is in a block. The completed lessons, how many lessons we've completed out of how many lessons, who is the teacher of this subject. Now to go into any of the subjects, you just click on the name of the subject. Once you go into the name of the subject, you have the overview. Down here you'll see this week and the tasks due. This week will list the lessons that you're expected to finish during the coming week, and the tasks due are quizzes and assignments that you're expected to hand in during this week. They're marked with this one. All of these are clickable, of course. If you click on one of these, you will go directly to the quiz page or to the assignment page. You will also see the Hall of Fame, your colleagues and students who are in the Hall of Fame, a list of all the other students in the class. You can always check the class policy by clicking on the class policy. If the teachers have added a class policy, you'll be able to see the class policy as well. In the content section, this is where you will find the different contents that was uploaded and added by the teachers. Content is basically explanations of the lessons that we need to study. So by looking at it, we can find some of them under general. These are things that are general and related to the entire curriculum. Or we can go to particular chapters or units and find out the different parts of the curriculum and the content that's been added. Next to each lesson, this is the main chapter, the subtopics of it. And then next to each lesson, you'll see how many contents or how many pieces of content are available. Here, for example, it says there is one content. So if you click on that lesson, you'll be able to see the content details right up there. If there are videos attached, you'll see the videos. If there is any text written, you'll see it. If there are attached files, you'll be able to download the attached files as well. You can see the name of the content right up here and its published date. If you click on the little arrow on the side, it will open up the content, where you will see whatever is written, and you can see the downloadable files. Now, some of these files, when you click on them, it will open a new tab, or it will open to actually allow you to download based on the file types. So it can either open a new tab, which you can then download if you want to, or it opens, or it completely downloads if it's not possible to open it using the browser that you have. If you click on view content, it will actually show you whatever is written inside the content, if the teacher has actually written any instructions or anything inside the content part itself. You might have multiple content related to the same lesson, so you find other ones continuing below. If they're too long, you can navigate from to next pages and the previous pages and so on. So this is basically the content with the content details. Okay. Other than the content, you also see your assignments. And if you click on the assignments, right there, you'll see the list of assignments. Assignments whose due date is in red, that means that the due date has expired. The due date has already passed, which means you're no longer allowed to actually submit. However, if it's still in green, if it's an open assignment, let's see if we have an open assignment here. Okay, all of these are completed. If you have an open assignment, it will be in green, and it will also tell you if you've solved this assignment or not. If it is in green, then you can always click on it and actually go in and start solving the assignment. You can also see here your quizzes. Okay. The same idea, they're separated and open, and again you can see here this quiz with the due date that hasn't passed yet and it's been solved, but you might have multiple attempts, so you'll still be able to solve the quiz again. If you want to take a look at your grades, you just click on grades and it will show you the grades for this particular subject. You choose the grading period you want and it will automatically be displayed in here. Sometimes you will see NA. This doesn't mean there is anything wrong with your system. It just means that no grades have been entered yet for these different assignments or these different quizzes. And in most cases, or in some cases, you'll also find that the numbers have been hidden and replaced by stars. This basically means that the students or the teacher and the school does not want to announce these numbers yet or these grades yet, maybe because they're being revised, maybe because this teacher is waiting for everybody to submit their work before they show them out. Okay. You can also check your attendance records. here, whether it's for the full day attendance, and it will be recorded in here, or the period attendance for this particular class. Finally, you can check the posts related to this subject. Posts that have been sent by the teachers. They might include videos, and you can actually watch the videos directly from within Skolera. You don't have to go anywhere outside Skolera. If you want to respond to a video, this is because I wrote this post myself, so I can always reply, edit, or delete on that post. However, if it's a post that's sent by someone else, I can only reply to it. Okay? And you just click on reply and write your reply, or you can start your new posts altogether by just writing whatever you want in here and posting it. You can even attach files with these posts. Under virtual classes, if there are virtual classes and virtual class lessons that are scheduled, you'll find the list of these lessons with the Join Now button on the side up here. You can also go to previous ones and to see all the previous lessons that were there. In case you want to contact your teacher to ask them about anything, you can always go to the Ask Teacher icon. Here you will find that the name of the teacher as well as names of supervisors from the school has already been added. You can write the subject of your message. You can choose what this message is about. Is it about an assignment, a quiz, a report, a question, or an excuse? And then you can write your message right here to send it to the teacher. You can even attach files with the message if you need to. And then you can just send the message. Okay? You'll receive a confirmation that the message has been sent. Okay? Right, now we'll be back into the overview of the subject right up here. And once more, as we said, you can see here the recent posts have been added right up there with their dates, your colleagues, your friends. Notifications have been added up here as well for all the new things. Thank you for joining us in this video, and we hope to see you in future videos in Skolera.